Hi everyone, my name is Brenda Manra and I'm the Director of EOP here at SUNY ADK, and today I'm going to show you how you can fill out your EOP application straight from your phone. So this is the email that you will get from me with the EOP application attached. You will go ahead and click on the attachment and click on the triangle to save to your Google Drive. From here you can go to your Google Drive app and go ahead and refresh, and you should see your application pop up. From here you can click on fill out form and you will be able to fill out the form in its entirety right from your phone. So you can go ahead and zoom in if you need to see the smaller print, and go ahead and fill out all of the pieces of the application. We won't be doing that here today. This is just a demonstration, and please go ahead and select what documents you will give us. You will then hit save up there in the corner. And after, you will hit the three dots and hit share and share it back with me with my SUNY ACC email, and go ahead and make me a commenter on your application. Here you have the option to add a message. This is really helpful so that we can know who's sending us this application, and then you can go ahead and hit the blue arrow. So that's really it. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day. Bye-bye.